Imagine turning your curiosity into an exciting opportunity. As a Thermomix Advisor, you're not just selling a product. You're joining a like-minded community of friends, sharing your own experiences, changing people's lives for the better. It's time to start sharing and start earning, including your very own TM7. Become part of the next chapter in the Thermomix success story. Let Thermomix bring flexibility, passion, and togetherness into your life in ways you never imagined. Set your own schedule, whether it's a hobby or a full-time career. Being a Thermomix Advisor allows you to grow personally and professionally. As hundreds of thousands of Thermomix Advisors all over the world will testify, with each new day, you will gain confidence and discover new, exciting ways to ignite passion in others. Join a supportive community that celebrates your successes and your individuality. A community where there's always room at the table. Become a Thermomix Advisor. Get ready for Thermomix like never before.